One of the reasons why South African citizens are saying illegal foreigners must go. Painter, sure. My brother, I'll give you 1,000 rand to paint. Okay. Mulungu, my painter for 100 rand. Only 100? Yes. Let's go. I can't buy anything for 100 rand. I can't feed my family. Eish. Following day. Zulu. Jacinta. Painter, I'll give you 2,000 to paint. Sure. Asambe.